Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel all about electronics. So in this question, we have been given this circuit and we have been given the expression of the voltage and current for the given circuit. So here, we have been asked to find the value of the R as well as the L. So for the given circuit, here we have been given that the value of the voltage V can be given as 125 times e to the power minus 50t. Similarly, the current I in the circuit is equal to 5 times e to the power minus 50t. So here, the voltage across this resistor R is equal to V. That means V is equal to I times R. That means we can say that 125 times e to the power minus 50t is equal to I times R, and I is equal to 5 times e to the power minus 50t. So from this we can say that the R is equal to 125 divided by 5, that is equal to 25 ohm. So this will be the value of the R. Similarly, let us find the value of the L. Now when this current I flow through this inductor, then the voltage across the inductor will be equal to VL, and this voltage VL is equal to minus V. So we know that the voltage across the inductor can be given as L times di divided by dt. So from this we can say that minus 125 times e to the power minus 50t is equal to L times di divided by dt. That is equal to minus 125 times e to the power minus 50t is equal to L times d by dt times 5 times e to the power minus 50t. That means L is equal to minus 125 times e to the power minus 50t divided by minus 250 times e to the power minus 50t. That is equal to 0.5 Henry. So in this way, we got the value of R as 25 ohm while the value of L as 0.5 Henry. So from this, we can say that for the given question, C is the correct answer.